So today I'm going to be making a beef steak, so let's begin. So I have one onion and I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to fry the onions until they soften. So I'm going to add 1 clove of garlic. So I'm going to add a sprinkle of red chilli powder, a sprinkle of onion powder, a sprinkle of garlic granules, a sprinkle of curry powder, a sprinkle of all-purpose seasoning, a sprinkle of cayenne pepper, sprinkle of Italian seasoning, sprinkle of paprika. I'm just going to mix this up. This is all on a medium heat. So I'm going to add a dash of water. A sprinkle of salt, I'm just going to add some more water. I'm going to lower the heat. Now I'm going to add my steak. So I'm just going to cook this on a medium heat. So now I've lowered the heat completely and I'm going to now turn this over. Remember, we're not going to overcook the steak. Finished beef steak. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.